Many persons are confused when ratio and rate are mentioned. They are related, but they are not the same thing. When you talk about ratio, you are comparing two things of the same kind. For example, I can compare the number of boys and girls in a school. They are the same kind, human beings. For example, now I can say that the ratio of boys to girls in a school is equal to 2:3. That is, for every 2 boys, there are 3 girls. Boys ratio girls is 2:3 in a school. This is a ratio. We are comparing two things of the same kind. Meaning that, assuming we have 4 boys, how many girls shall we have? There will be 6. Because as the boys are increasing by 2, the girls are increasing by 3. If the boys increase again to 6, the girls will be what? 9. You keep on adding 3 here. You keep on adding 6 here. You keep on adding 2 here. That's the implication. Ratio. But rate compares two things of different kinds. I can say the speed of this car is 30 kilometers per hour. Meaning that every 1 hour, the car speeds 30 kilometers. It covers 30 kilometers every 1 hour. Meaning that every 2 hours, it will cover 60 kilometers. Every 3 hours, it will cover 90 kilometers. Now, I am comparing two things of different kinds. Kilometers, distance, hours, time. You see? Two things of different kinds. Why ratio compares two things of the same kind? That's just the difference between ratio and rate. For example, now, in this my group class, through Google Meet or Zoom, which is a live class. Now, let me use it to explain ratio for you. In this class, my rate is 39,900 naira per month, every month. That's the rate. I am comparing money to what? Time or month. Month is time. Okay? Money to time. You are paying 39,900 naira every 1 month. Every 1 month you pay. That's the rate. How often do you pay? You pay every month. And what do you pay? 39,900 naira. That is rate. Okay? So now, this is the rate. But if you are paying now, between now and 10th of this month, you are paying 29,900 naira. That is the rate. And this is a very interesting class that will give you solid foundation that you've lost in mathematics. It is starting on the 17th. So if you are interested to join this class, or the fee is just this, if you can pay now. And once you want to join, go to my Instagram bio, click the link there. It takes you to a WhatsApp group where you have to make payment and be added to the main group. Then if you're on Facebook, check any link you see around this video, maybe in the title of this video, click it. It will also take you to the same WhatsApp group. Now, this is the rate. But the ratio, look at the ratio of the discounted price, which is 29,900 to the main price, 39,900. If you like, you cancel out these 2 zeros. This is now the ratio of the current price and the price you're going to pay later. Okay, that's ratio. So ratio is everywhere. Now let's go to football and see what ratio is all about. Now look at the Premier League table. Let me search for Chelsea. I want to check the number of matches Chelsea have played in Premier League and the number of goals they have scored. Let's look at Premier League table. Where is Chelsea? I can't see Chelsea. Where is Chelsea? Chelsea's not here. Are you sure they're in Premier League? Let me use Arsenal. I can see Arsenal in the number 2. Now, Arsenal they have played 6 matches, and they have scored 12 goals. So, for every 6 matches, Arsenal is scoring what? 12 goals. If I divide by 6, this is what I will get. So, meaning that for every 1 match, Arsenal scores 2 goals. This is so the ratio of the number of matches Arsenal have played to the number of goals they score is 1:2. You can also say that the rate at which Arsenal scores goal is 2 goals for every 1 match. Bye. Make sure you join this class. Don't waste time. Stop it.